Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's out walking the dog. And I bought a few products on Temu. Instead of just doing a full video, which takes a lot of editing, I'm just going to make a short one and tell you what I just got recently. So, here we go. Alright, there's not enough room in here. So you're going to have to see my big face. The first thing I got was this product. And this product, what it is used to clean your toilet. I have a brush here that has like rubber bristles to it. And has a little scrubby brush too. And it's flat. You connect it to the wall by using, I think I stuck it in here yet. Stick that on the wall. And it hangs on the wall and it's out the way, and hopefully it doesn't come out while you're traveling. So usually we were using this one right here, but this goes all over the place. It doesn't, it's a cheapy one from the Dollar Tree. And this one is going to be on the wall and out of the way. I'm going to put it over here next to the shower. I'm going to put it over here right next to the shower. And almost touching the bottom here. Out of the way. And then when you need to use the scrubby brush, you can. And if you need to use this brush for any reason, you can. Alright. This comes apart too, so you can clean it out. See that? And it drains into there. So cool. I think that was pretty cool, and it's going to look just like this. There's mine. So it won't fall off. Won't fly off. And all you got to do is take it out, clean the toilet, and put it back. Same for that. Take that out, if you need it, put it back. So that's where it goes. So I kind of like where it's at right there. I'm not utilizing that space whatsoever, so that's a good place for it. And it looks nice. You can barely see it. It's in the back there. It's not in anybody's way. There you go. It looks like it belongs there. I bought those nice Velcro straps for my hose, but those are expensive. So I saw these on Temu. They look the same. I bought the medium-sized one, and I have it. You can strap it, or you can strap your hose, and then you have a handle. So I think it was more than half the price. So if you need something to hold on to your hoses, and you can grab it out and have a handle to it, and it collects it nice. This is a good deal. I bought two of them. I needed a little Velcro pieces, so I got these. Now in the website, it looks like it came in a big roll, and this is all they gave me. So I returned it, and they said, "Don't return it, sir. Here's your money back." So I got these for free because it did not look anything like the picture. But that's exactly what I wanted, but it didn't look anything like the picture. I already bought these like towel locks. But I got the gray ones, and I got two. One for the freezer, and I'm going to put this one down where the other one's at. I'm just going to take it off because it's white. It doesn't really match. This matches a little bit better. So, and it prevents the refrigerator from opening up. And all you got to do is like this. It turns around and it just lays there. And what I'm going to do with these little Velcro is put a little Velcro dot right there, so it's not swinging on the door. It's not swinging on the door. So flip it, and it locks it. No, that's not going anywhere. I'm going to put one up here, but I'm changing this one out for that gray one. All you got to do is open it, flips open. Okay, and then I'm going to put a piece of Velcro right here so it's not swinging all the time. So it's just a little bit of Velcro. Because all you need is for travel mode. You don't need it for the kids or whatever. It's a kid's lock, but I don't need it to prevent any kids from going in there. So that's it. And then click it. Click it. Undo it. It's very simple. Click it. Unclick it. And then that Velcro is going to prevent it. So when I open the door, it's not going to do this. So I'm going to put a piece on there now and see how it works. There you go. Just have a little dot there. Close. Open it up. Just tap it and you got it. It's not moving anymore. And then when you want it, let's open it up. Oops. Unlock it. And it's automatically stuck. Did you see that? Automatically stuck on there. So. Bam. And then it gets stuck on that Velcro so it's not swinging. See that? And then just pull up a little bit to get it off the Velcro. Snaps. I think it looks cool. Okay. So it won't swing. Cool. Like I said, you only need that when you're traveling. I'm doing on traveling mode. Right now it's going to be on this mode right here. In position mode. So cool. I like that. Alright. That was my quick video for today. I did I think it was two mods. One for the refrigerator and one for the toilet cleaning brush, and that's all I have. So if you have any questions, put it down below, and I'll try to answer any of your comments as quickly as I can. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.